Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix PC won't turn off after clicking shutdown. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click power options, click choose what the power buttons do, click change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type power CFG space, H space, off. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type shutdown space, -F space, -ons S space, -T space, 00. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.